There are some practical applications of mythological knowledge across various domains, specifically focusing on leadership and problem solving, understanding human behavior, and creativity and storytelling. Each of these areas highlights the enduring relevance of myths in shaping our approach to various aspects of life and human interaction. Mythological tales often depict heroes confronting formidable challenges and adversaries. By analyzing their approaches, modern leaders can extract valuable insights into effective leadership and problem solving, including resilience, adaptability, and strategic thinking. Example: the story of Odysseus in the Odyssey showcases his resourcefulness and cunning as he faces various obstacles on his journey home. His ability to inspire loyalty among his crew and think creatively about solutions to problems like devising a plan to escape from the Cyclops serves as a valuable model for modern leaders. Myths frequently illustrate the importance of perseverance and the growth that arises from navigating adversity. Leaders can learn how to confront crises, mitigate conflict, and emerge stronger from challenges by understanding these narratives. Example: Hercules, tasked with completing the 12 labors, exemplifies determination in facing seemingly insurmountable challenges. His journey illustrates that true leadership often involves facing fears and doubts while maintaining a clear vision and purpose. Myths delve into the complexities of human emotions, desires, and fears. By studying these narratives, we can gain deeper insights into our own motivations and behaviors, fostering greater empathy and understanding of others. Example: consider the myth of Psyche and Eros, which explores themes of love, trust, jealousy, and personal growth. Analyzing Psyche's journey reveals how the interplay of strong emotions can shape decisions and relationships, highlighting the importance of vulnerability, empathy, and self-discovery in human experiences. Understanding the characters and situations within myths can facilitate heightened self-awareness and empathy towards others. Cultivating these qualities is essential in personal and professional settings. Example: the story of King Midas, who learns the harsh consequences of his greed, teaches valuable lessons about empathy, the consequences of one's choices, and the importance of humility. By studying myths like this, individuals can reflect on their values and recognize the impact of their actions on others. Imaginative thinking. Myths are rich in imaginative stories, symbolism, and metaphors that stimulate creative thinking. Engaging with these narratives can spark inspiration and encourage innovative problem solving. Example: the fantastical elements in myths, like the shape-shifting abilities of Coyote in Native American folklore or the numerous transformations in Ovid's Metamorphoses, can inspire artists, writers, and creators to push the boundaries of their own storytelling and artistic expression. Studying the structures and elements of myths can enhance storytelling skills, which are essential in various fields, including business, education, and the arts. Example: the classic hero's journey framework, as articulated by Joseph Campbell, provides a compelling narrative structure that can be applied in modern storytelling, from writing novels to crafting engaging presentations. Understanding this narrative arc empowers individuals to create more engaging and impactful stories. Myths often encapsulate universal themes and archetypes, enriching our understanding of human experiences and the diverse ways in which cultures interpret their existence. Example: the hero archetype, represented by figures like Gilgamesh or Frodo Baggins, serves as a lens through which we can examine our journey in life, enhancing our understanding of personal transformations and shared human narratives.